Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to penalize a student by using or function. How to penalize a student by using or function in Excel. For example, your student can pass as in division 1, division 2 or division 3, but he has failed some subjects, so you can decide to penalize it. If student has passed in higher grade or in higher average, but he has failed some subject. So for example, if student has either division 1 or division 2 or division 3, but he has F subject in subject number 9 and the BAM subject has F in this subject, the result will be division 3 by not considering either has division 1 or has division 2. But if has division 4, let's take its division as it is, because if you penalize the student which has division 4 to division 3, it means you promoted him or her. So penalize the student which has either division 1 or division 2 or division 3, but has failed 2 subject, which is subject 9 and BAM. Yes, start with equal sign, then if or open bracket, then I will use the point, this one. So if this one is less than 26, comma, also if this subject is equal to F, this one, comma, if this grade in this subject is equal to also F, bracket, close bracket, return division 3. Otherwise, take its normal division. Yes, this formula means that you will check if this one AQ is less than 26 and or X2 is equal to F. Also if Z2 is equal to F. So in order to return 3 division, there must be, this student must have point less than 26, must have F in either or X subject or F in this subject. So if anyone from these criteria meet the condition, the result will be 3. But if all this does not meet the condition, it will return the normal division. So for example, if the student has F subject in this one, the result will be 3. And if this grade in subject, in BAM subject is F, also the result will be division 3. Or if this one is less than 20, is less than 26, then percent. As you can see, this one has the grade C, does not meet the condition. This one has A, does not meet the condition, but this one meets the condition because the point is less than 26. So one from these criteria meet the condition. So it will return division 3. Also, when I come to this one is the A, does not meet the condition. Also, it does not meet the condition, but this one meets the condition because this point is less than 26. Let us see this one. This one does not meet the condition. This one does not meet the condition. Also, this does not meet the condition because this one is 20 is greater than 26. So all these criteria not meet the condition. We expected this one to be F, but it is B. Also, this one is not F. Also, this one is not less than 26. So all these criteria not meet the condition. So the result will be, it will return to its normal division. So this is how you can penalize student by using OR function. But if you want to get more realistic result, just use the AND function to penalize, because as you can see this one, if any of the criteria meet condition, it means the result will be true. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share, and comment.